iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Emphatic victory for Mamelodi Sundowns. 4 goals in the first half. A very, very exciting game of football, especially in the first half. We had been watching a very, very dull run of matches with 0-0s and 1-0s, but this one had everything in it. Swallows could have scored more. Swallows could have gotten a better result here, but it's Mamelodi Sundowns who go away with the victory. Junior Khanye, our analyst. Mamelodi Sundowns, easy, clinical, as you would expect from them. Yes, sir.
Ubulise awuthiyami ngibulise lengwenye to justice
Easy.
Benedict Sola ngaphakathi no trucks ebafethi kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, Nkululeko, it was I think 11 quality players against certain players who came to the party with Swallows. Sundowns, yes, George first half we among it 11 sharp Nyambala now George. Today did well Mara passing backwards. Yes, Kukren Mauti he did well, Mangiti did well. He never lost the ball, but I hate negativity, okay? With a pass backwards. Sundowns simple. One other the team Nkululeko is going to be the same week. Every week. They're winning the same in the same way. Whereby they playing at the back. On the child always the link between the defense and the midfield. And was keeper was pass it striker. While is the midfield the ball tabla up in the middle the way we striker. Lambe pants not the moyen would be continuous. So ngabi anybody's ball. I love the Sundowns what they doing. Kulego badalanga trade the back namhlanje kule game badalanga trade the back. Nyango ulomchita what is name? Derrick, and then Alumchita Kurishim Dao. And then Ulo Laila K was a wing back, left wing back. You understand? It's 3-4-3. Is system Marama system of a Chinchama game, a Chinchi game while he's playing. Sometimes we saw Gube 4-3-3, 3-4-3. He came in, he move. I love what they're doing when Nkululeko ngoba. Gune redeem la gule team. You have to see technically a good. People suge the back, but it's a must to sonke, but they hardly lose the ball at the back. Ile mistaken so the rook should have been punished when the plan la pangoba. Ukpasa ungabhekanga and weaker foot. It's wrong. I think the boy must correct that thing. Otherwise, he's a quality player. Sundowns. They play the ball at the back. It's a mass. Every time Chalu is available. While the ball is circulating, and the Chalu avail himself, he link. When he caught the ball, who was shy Paula, Aldale from Jobangisho from Namtain to Began Sabagala, Begavela. If was circulated, if I con, we are Vela, Magalbamba. Either he played the ball on the ground. Ligule center, he passed him for instance, Shishi, as a half in my opponent. He moved here, attack Sundowns, Domingos, immediately Mshishi got, he get next to him. But I do number 10, Mshishi no, not Domingos. If somebody is on the left, somebody must support. Abash good when but Alanga 2 anchors. That's sorry. That's what they do today. They did.
Corona.
I mean,
hey, Corona.
Yeah, so that's what they did today. That's what I love Ralani Nkululeko, just to tell you the truth. You hardly see him playing. Udlali front three, him, ka left, Shalulile in the middle, ka right. Today it was sort of Begu Domingos. A pinda run, a chincha kubo mshishida. Beba swipe. You understand? I love what the guy is doing. You hardly see when Sundowns circulate the ball, I ball in match. Utachi pola 2-3. Mklambe in the next in 3 minutes. But the thing that it does, I'm a player manning our ends. In the last 3 games or 4 games, he scored, if not mistaken, 3 times. First touch, the guy, he very good. He kicked about feet. Look at this goal today. You hardly see him combine as a Zolinka. He stay wide. angene phakathi mhlawumbe badlale i-back pass okanye shy forward pass e1 angene eboxini and bamthola. So him and Shalulile banale sting yokuthi Shalulile is not a ball player naye. But amagoli wakhe aze more central. Namhlanje what he did, he was staying more central. Sometimes madlala yena eboxini. He runs central. It doesn't run akusumuntu ama-run sideways ama-pocket, he runs central. Uyazi ibhola ezolenda ngoba uphethe ama-star player phambi kwakhe. And I love abomshisha akusimust ukuthi bamphase. When you sometimes be patient. Today they got the ball, akusimust. You'll hold, I have extra touch, Domingos avele, and then he take...
The one thing that I want to compliment about the Swallows is that easily you can be negative in any game. You can come into a game and be like, Simeone, with Atletico Madrid and have 11 men behind the ball. Today they tried to play. In fact, I think that they deserve more goals. There was a one-on-one Etolo Malinga, Ukahiso Malinga, that he could have buried easily. They could have scored other goals too. What I like about them, I knew they were going to lose against Sundowns, but at the very least they came here and gave us a good game.
I wouldn't tell who these guys they are at the bottom. Energy, Jobangisho, equality, Aksuti bed. I mean, this team playing better than team that they are in top 4, top 5, top 6, top 7. Energetic, technical, they are very good. Namsha nabatali 4-3 game on. Namsha nabatali 4-3. Sometimes go be 4-4-2. You understand 4-5-1. System yabo na be iganing. Any coach mong I check. Minang babone from the first we see they lost because of equality ningu Sundowns. Experience the Champions League and they understand the departments and Sundowns are fully stretch when. But defender they press you high. In the front three they press, and then the other three they support. It defense never support. When they got the ball, they push the abami. So we battle against the team quality and generally. Uguti not good il when they lost, when they lose the ball, they press immediately. They nearer to each other. So it's always credit to them. NH was okay. They shift the ball error right. But into meaning iboni the team that coach support coach bekumele ngabe le team eqale second half supposed to start Khamaldin supposed to start the game kule game namhlanje sikhuluma ngale experience. This is a big Sundowns is one of the most big it's a big team in Africa as a continent. It's amongst the best good top 3 corner for me. Sure. So it's all those players these boys, yes, they are good. No saling imbonila ngena second half they did much better. And umfana lo mina uMahlatsi ngihlale ngiyagiwa even no treated bekamdlalisa mose la in the middle. uMahlatsi the way dynamic ngakhona is so skillful. He will give you something if umdlalise front forward 3. Kulabantu abayi-3 front forward ka right or ka left, not central or la middle. Icoach angikama ndlalisa left middle field. You can't do that ngoba mele kumakhe iSundowns modlana nabo baziwina igame middle. Immediately Sundowns abo Domingos they defend, they play. Abomshish they chase. Nabo Domingos so Nkululeko isolo sidlalile mfethu, make no mistake, they got chances and about creative. Some chance that Sundowns made a mistake. But yenzile one the goalkeeper safe, but I saw this compliment. I wish angazi ukuthi bangenza kanjani this team survive relegation, they keep this team and it's just about 8 quality experienced players, 2, 3, 4 players. But the coach is coming well with this team. The way mina ngibone ngakhona namhlanje energetic but against the quality. Labantu banokubaqabula kwalahli so banokubaqabula anyone. Abo they know them, abo Almerek they know them. So they Sundowns anyone in DStv Premiership has Cholis Park. So amelanga bas play they did well but against quality side.
Absolutely man. That was Swallows Football Club at home against Mamelodi Sundowns. It's getting inevitable now. Tick is talking, time is ticking. It's only a matter of time. 4-5 games left. We crown Sundowns. And I think in the next 2 matches, there will be the league champions. Anytime in the next 2 or 3 weeks, we'll say Sundowns are the champions. It will be 3 matches before the end of the season or 4 matches before the end of the season. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, all sports betting. Thank you for watching.